Well, Dave Lewcock decided it would be a good idea to talk crap about me behind my back, after calling out Ted the Lion Monster for making his MLG videos as made for kids, when it actually contains language that is not suitable for kids. You can tell that he set the video as made for kids, because the comments are disabled, and you can't put it on a playlist. Idiot, if you think that I'm complaining about Ted the Lion Monster setting his videos inappropriately, you're a dumb butt. They use the word penis and weed in this video, and these words are not suitable for kids. Also, I am not a swearing police. I can handle people swearing, but what annoys me is that when people set their videos with swearing as made for kids, when it's actually not made for kids. You don't want the kids to get in trouble at school if they hear the swear words from a video that is apparently made for kids when it's actually not. And look at these comments that this butthole has sent. It tells me that I'm 9 years old and I'm not 16. Idiot, I'm 16 years old, not 9. Get that through your brain, dumb butt. Also, like I said, I'm not complaining about MLG Horrid Henry having inappropriate language. I'm just calling him out for this crap. He's gotta comply with copper and or similar laws, and decide wisely if his channel, or videos, are made for kids or not. If he marks his channel, or videos, as made for kids, and the FTC or YouTube think otherwise, he can get fined up to £34,920 per violation. I doubt he has that kind of money to pay for that fine. This is the reason why I'm calling him out for that. That's all I'd like to say for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next video.